Good evening, good morning po sa lahat. To everyone, my name is Belinda Ruiz. I will be sharing the I Am Business presentation today. So the name of our company is I Am Worldwide. Let me share a few background why how did I come to know I Am Worldwide. A friend of mine introduced me to barley. She said that barley is good to our health. So I said, and she said, try it. So I said, why not? So because I'm not really a fan of synthetic medicine. I would rather take organic or a herbal instead of synthetic medicine. So I said, why not try it? So I tried, I bought 2 boxes and I took it, and I also gave some sachet to my husband. And I noticed that because I am constipated before, I am not moving my bowel every day. It's not regular. So I noticed that since I started taking barley, my bowel movement became regular. So that's what my husband also did also notice. So after I finished the 2 boxes, my friend said, why not join or be a member so that you can get discount. So, and that's what I did. And after that, I also introduced barley to mostly to my relatives and friends, and mostly to my warm markets until now. So let's proceed. And this is Mentor Edward Lasdacan. You can see he looks like he is chubby, but he is not healthy here. He has lots of health issues in his physical body. He cannot even stand straight because he has lots of pain. He's diabetic, and this is his wife also has rheumatoid arthritis. And because of his diabetes, he has his blood sugar is up to 466 and 567. So that is so high. It's like a time bomb clicking. And because of his diabetes, he has lots of medications. And also, he has also complications with his diabetes. And one of that is retinopathy. He got surgery in his right eye because if not, I think that is like there's blood in the vessel in the eye, and it will make you blind once you are not, it's not cured. And also the other thing that he is feeling pain in his body is the neuropathy, which is a pinching nerve in his feet, and that is what he cannot endure. And he prayed. He said, I pray that God will send me somebody who can help me with my pinching nerve. So true enough, he met Enter Elsa Proles in a restaurant, and she introduced barley to him. And after taking barley for how many days? I think 4 days or a week. His blood sugar reading now is 120, 128, 121, 80, 93, 120. And also, he has high blood pressure. He said his blood pressure is goes up to 180/100. But after taking barley, his blood pressure is now normal, which is 120/80, and also his cholesterol level is normal. And when he has taking those lots of medication, he has severe constipation. He is only moving bowel once a week. So after taking barley, his bowel movement became regular, and He has 3 times a day bowel movement. Before, he's still taking Dulcolax just to go to the bathroom. But after taking barley, his bowel movement became regular. And look at him now and his wife. He is now healthy. Look at his smile. It's amazing. That's how the pure organic barley helped him in his health. And also, Annalyn, this is sentimental picture for them because Annalyn has also rheumatoid arthritis, and she has difficulty even going down the stairs or climbing the stairs or even pulling up her underwear, and her hands are like swollen also, and they are not straight. But now look at her hands. She can really show it in the picture that it's okay. So our pure organic barley is really amazing. And after that, he shared barley to uh, his to the people that knows that he is sick before, that he has health issues, and he's now shipping it to different places. Look at the shipment that he has. He has a lot of shipments, and we had our company has an advocacy of uh, hope. We are a home of hope, and hope stands for H stands for health, O for opportunity, P for prosperity, and E for everyone. It's for everyone, whatever age you are, even you are still in school, a student, or younger, or elderly, or didn't finish your education, or um, whatever status in life you are, you can be, the I Am Worldwide is for everyone. So here in I Am Worldwide, we prioritize your health, and also number two, you will have a stable source of income. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, said, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. We see nowadays, internet is so popular because all we need now is just an internet, and we can send message all over the world through the online platform. Here, there are two types of business. It's mentioned here, traditional and non-traditional. In a traditional business, you will need big capital. You will need to pay rent. You will need to pay electricity, water, labor, and miscellaneous or operational expenses. But in a non-traditional business like ours, in I Am Worldwide, you don't need big capital. You don't need to pay rent. You don't need to pay electricity, water, or labor, or you don't have miscellaneous or operational expenses because you can do the business in the comfort of your home, as long as you have internet and um, uh, computer, laptop, or even cell phone. Who are these people? These people are um, ambassadors, or they promote our products. You see, in a traditional business, you have to promote your own business. Here in I Am Worldwide, the company is, they are paying brand ambassadors, and these people are not just ordinary people, they are celebrities, and some of them are billionaires. We have Maritoni Fernandez. She's the one who brought barley in the Philippines. Piolo Pascual, Heart Evangelista Escudero, Park Seo-joon, he is a Korean actor. Alden Richards, Gabby Garcia, Aramina, Marian Rivera Dantes, Gillian Ward, Small Lode. Small Lode is is already a billionaire. She is doing I Am Worldwide. Let's watch this.
I Am Amazing Barley helps you take on the day with confidence. Made only from fresh and organic barley from Australia, packed with vitamins and minerals. So guys, experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley. Get now.
And this is the other person is Marian Rivera Dantes. When the owners asked her to promote our products, especially the pure organic barley, she did not agree or consent right away. She wanted to try the products first. So after taking the barley for a month, she was convinced that it really helped her and her family. So she agrees to be our brand ambassador. And the other one is Mariel Padilla. And also Maria Eleanor Robredo, the former Vice President of the Philippines, is also an independent distributor. So it's not just the celebrities or actors or actresses, but also politicians. Here, number 4 is Maria Erlinda Padilla. She is number 4 in the top direct sellers in September last year. And she's promoting or doing selling barley in TikTok. And because of that, she even said that barley is magic because her husband, who is a senator in the Philippines, has been cured of his I think he has something like a bump in his nose, and it was cured because of barley. And so in October 2023, she was the number 1 top direct sellers in the Philippines, and she became a Sapphire Elite executive. And also our product is also fast-moving product. This is Krisha Venancio. She does also sell party in TikTok. She has sold 21,800 amazing pure organic barley boxes. So that's 21,800 times 500 is her profit, and that is 10.9 million pesos just selling the barley. And aside from that, she has commission of 14 million. That is really amazing. A lot of money she has earned a lot of money here in I Am Worldwide. And these are the founders of I Am Worldwide. Alan Marvin Eder is the president, and Aika Lorraine O is the vice president. These two have a combined experience in network marketing for over 25 years, and they are in favor or they are pro distributors. They already have they have given us distributors. They are so very generous in giving benefits to distributors, and also they have already known the ins and outs of network marketing and also the ups and downs. So they already polish the system of I Am Worldwide. The I Am Worldwide has a good system when it comes to the product and the compensation plan. And another thing is they are God-fearing people, and so they have integrity and credibility. And that is one of the reasons why I joined I Am Worldwide. I Am Worldwide had received a lot of accolades. It has received a Best Trusted Health and Beauty Supplement International Awards. It is also has a Super Brand award. Which means our products are of high quality. And the best I Am Worldwide is 7 years and counting. So this year the company will celebrate its 7th year anniversary in Philippine Arena. You can see here that every year that the company is celebrating its anniversary, there are millions of pesos that are being given away as a raffle. So the company is already very generous in everything that they do, helping the people, the distributors. And also, the company is, when it comes to legalities, the company is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and also the Bureau of Internal Revenue. And also, it has a Class B food supplement certificate of registration. Here is the main office. It's located in City Center Building, San Juan, Ortigas Avenue. This is where the products are being processed. If you become a member, you can buy the products here. This is also a place where in-person training is held. And also you can see cars there of top mentors, the luxury cars. And also you can see top mentors there. You can take pictures with them. If you are in the Philippines, in Manila, you can come and visit because the atmosphere there is really different, and you can see the building is so nice. The office is so nice. Also, we have local offices: Bacolod, Baguio, Batangas, Bulacan, Cavite, Cebu, Davao, Dumaguete, Isabela, La Union, Naga, Tuguegarao, and also international offices in Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Italy, Japan, USA, in New York. There will be probably more offices coming in the future since I Am Worldwide is well known now. This is today's reality. So many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health. This is really true. When we are teenagers, we have the time, we have the health, but we don't have the money because we are still going to school. We just ask money from our parents. When we come to adulthood, we have the money because we are already working. We still have the health because we are still young, but we don't have the time because we are always working. When we became old, we have the time because we might be retired by then, but we don't have health and we don't have the money because we already spend money in our maintenance medicines that we are taking. That is the sad reality that's happening today. This is Maritoni Fernandez. She
Ano
is the one
hinahanap mo na?
who brought the barley in the Philippines.
Oh, that I don't know.
She was diagnosed with breast cancer on April 4, 2001. She is an actress way back in the 90s in the Philippines, but she was diagnosed with breast cancer on April 4, 2001 with only 5 years of chance of survival. So what she did is she she looked in the internet for as not just chemotherapy. She wanted some more like additional help aside from just medicine. So she found this barley, this pure organic barley. So she took it together with her chemotherapy, and uh, and her breast cancer is bilateral, so both breast. And this is the lymph node. They removed 15 nodes. And this is one of her friend while she's doing the chemotherapy, and sadly her friend did not make it, but Maritoni was able to survive. So, and this is her when she lost her hair. And this is her daughter. She has a 6-year-old daughter way back then. That's why she's really really wanted to live and not leave her daughter to live more years and not leave her daughter. So this is her oncologist. Her doctor said that she will not have kids anymore because her reproductive organ was damaged. But after taking barley for 3 years, her menstrual period came back. She was able to have a son. And this is her son. His name is Liam, and she called him her baby, her miracle baby. So now she is on her 20th years and counting of survival. Let us watch this video where the barley comes from.
I am Maritoni Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia.
We think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic. Yeah, we're certified with NASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. I Am Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at Nutrigreen, so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
I am truly proud to say that we we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutri-Green barley.
Let's watch this video testimonies of some people.
Meron po akong PCOS for 10 years. So before po, irregular yung menstruation ko. And then na-discover ko po itong barley. After 2 months taking barley continuously, naging regular po yung menstruation ko. Thanks to this amazing product. And after that po, itong last April 2019, na-discover po namin na year na po yung PCOS ko and I'm now 6 months pregnant.
Nagkaroon ako ng bacterial meningitis. Sa isang napaka-critical yung sakit, pero sobrang painful daw ako kasi sobrang lakas ng tulog sa akin ng body kasi tayo ko na
Use it for energy and detoxifying that's your body. You really have to experience it.
These are some more testimonies of people who have taken barley, those with high blood pressure. Those with kidney stones, first out, second out, and those with kidney failure testimony, lung cancer, polycystic ovaries. This couple, they cannot have kids. They are trying to have kids for 11 years. But after taking barley, they were able to have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. So this is really our pure organic barley is so amazing. And this also one, she has a brain tumor. She is an OFW from Kuwait. And then she took the barley after surgery. Now she's there now. She looks like she's okay. Who is Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara? Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, he was a renowned scientist and pharmacist, along with being the founder of and owner of Japan's largest pharmaceutical company at the time. His research shows that during the leaves of embryonic barley plant contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exists on Earth in a single source. It has 68 micronutrients found in barley leaves. It has 17 types of minerals, 17 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 17 types of amino acids. And also our barley is FDA approved. It's NASA approved. That's Australian agency that's granting organic certification, halal certified, and it's Herb All Organic Barley. That's the company of Maritoni Fernandez, and it is super brands. That means to say it is of high quality. Barley also has a high antioxidant value, 25,500. If you add these prunes, raisins, kale, spinach, raw grapes, it's not even half of the barley grass antioxidant value. And also it's mentioned 37 times in the Bible. Barley is mentioned 37 times in the Bible. So back then, people are already taking barley. So who can drink barley? Babies, kids, breastfeeding women, pregnant women, teenagers, adults, elderly, even pets. And what are the conditions responsive to barley? There are lots of conditions responsive to barley: anemia, arthritis, asthma, blood pressure, breast cancer, bronchitis, cataract, cervical cancer, cholesterol, constipation, diabetes, hepatitis, high blood, and a lot of them, psoriasis, tuberculosis, stroke. And just disclaimer, barley is not a medicine, but it is proven to boost our immune system. That is why we are not prone to have common diseases. So even myself, I can prove it because before I can say that I'm always like tired, but now after taking barley, it boosts my immune system and I can still work my full-time job and do this part-time job in I Am Worldwide. What are the 4 stages of natural healing? The first stage of natural healing is cleansing. Our body is being cleansed, especially the digestive system, to prepare our body for easy absorption of vitamins and minerals. As the first stage is cleansing. The second stage is detoxification. Your body is eliminating the toxins that has been built up in your body that causes different diseases and problems. Take note, if you ever feel some changes in the first few days, it is normal. It is called body recovery reaction, and it already means that your body is in the healing process. It is also called healing crisis. Um, if you if we take synthetic medicine, sometimes there are side effects, and if we tell our doctor that we are feeling like, for example, um, I I am taking this rosuvastatin for cholesterol, but I have like some muscle pain. So I told my doctor, I have some muscle pain. So she gave me, she said, take CoQ10. So if you tell them the side effect of your medicine, they will give you another medicine to take it. So unlike in pure organic barley, don't panic because it's just normal if you feel some um, changes in the first few days while you are taking barley because it will go away. The third stage is nutrients assimilation. Your body is ready to absorb the nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, giving your immune system a boost. So the reason why we are acquiring diseases is because we lack the nutrients in our body. Lack of nutrients will lead to decreased immune system, decreasing in antibodies to fight free radicals, viruses, and bacteria. So once the body has been detoxified, then the nutrients can now be assimilated in our body. The reason why we are getting sick is because we lack the nutrients our body needs and because of decreased immune system. And number 4 is the cell regeneration. The damaged cells are being repaired from free radicals to bring back to its normal system to prevent malfunction of the organs. That is why people with who are undergoing chemotherapy, even the good cells are being affected. So barley can really help repair, regenerate the cell. That's why Maritoni Fernandez is able to recover. Now, we will go to how we can earn here, the compensation plan of I Am Worldwide. There are 4 simple steps to earn. Number 1 is avail our packages. I will explain to you some of the packages later. Number 2 is use and share. It's being said that you should be a product of your own product. So we have to use the product. So we have a testimony to share to others how we have benefited from the product and share it in the online platform like Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and other internet platform. Because now we can reach the world even using internet. And number 3, learn the business. We can learn the business by doing like what we are doing now. We are doing online training, Zoom training, and also there in the office in the Philippines, they do in-person training there. So it's also nice to go there and attend trainings. Here in I Am Worldwide, there are lots of trainings that you can attend. So it's just you just attend it. visit the online trainings because the trainings are free. So it's just us to take advantage of this free training, because in that way we can learn the business, and we can learn the business fast. And once we do this, we can earn. So let's discuss some of the ways to earn here in I Am Worldwide. Number one is retailing. 1 box of barley costs $25 here in the US. The suggested retail price is $25. Our distributor price is $16.50. So you will earn $8.50 once you sell a box of barley. What if you sell 10 boxes? So if you sell 10 boxes of barley, that is 25 times 10, 250 is the suggested retail price. The distributor's price is 165, so you will earn $85. That's when you retail. Here are the packages that we have. This one is a gold package. Gold package has 45 boxes of barley and it's $1,060. The other one is platinum, which has 112 boxes of barley costing $2,600. And this is the jade package, which we call the VIP package. It's the best package, and I will tell you why. The cost is $4,200, 190 boxes of barley. And this is the VIP because it has free 40 boxes free here in the US. The others doesn't have free boxes of barley. So if you think of $4,200, that is like a big sum of money, but that if you start a business, that is not really a big sum of money, because I will show you later on how you will earn here, how you can have the return of your investment. So there are 13 ways to earn here in I Am Worldwide. Number one is retailing. Number two is wholesale commission, sales match commission, infinity commission, check match commission, uni-level commission, residual sales match commission, just for you, give me 5, uni-level leadership commission, project 001, car, house, and lot travel incentive, luxury incentive. And we will now discuss the wholesale package commission. Say, for example, you are a gold package holder. So if you introduce barley to your friend or to your warm market, and they also avail of the gold package, you will be given a $58 direct commission, referral, or wholesale package commission. And if they avail platinum package and you are a platinum holder also, you will get $150. And if you are a jade, they buy jade, you will get $333 wholesale package commission. There is also a sales match commission. For gold, sales match is when when two people you introduce barley to two people and they avail two people avail of it, then they match. You will get $50 sales match commission for gold, $133 for platinum, and $166 sales match commission for jade. And also infinity commission, you will get $16 for gold, $33 for platinum, and $50 for jade. There is also a just for you bonus, $667 for gold, and $1,667 for platinum, and $3,333 for jade. Your income may vary, depends on your package. So the higher the package, the higher the commission, the higher the income. So let's go to this infinity commission. What is this? It says earn from all the first 2 wholesale packages starting from your 3rd direct wholesale onwards. Infinity bonus depending on the package. So For jade, it's $50. For platinum, $33. For gold, $16. Say, for example, that's you as a gold package holder. You have your first direct, you have your second direct, and your third direct. It says here it starts with your third direct referral. There are 2 wholesale packages starting from your third direct referral. So say, for example, your third direct referral has 2 gold package also. So you will get $16 in each of them. And the direct of your direct also has 2 gold package. So you will get $16 in each 2 of them. And then your fourth direct referral also has 2 gold package that they refer. You will get $16 in each one of them. And then the direct of your direct has also has a 2 gold package, so you will get $16 in each one of them. And not just those direct, not just those infinity bonus, because they match, you will also get sales match commission, and $50 is the sales match commission for gold. See how really it's infinity, that means to say an ending, and once it goes deeper and deeper, you will still get all of them. That is so, the company is so very generous in giving commissions to the distributors. Let's go to the packages. Let's discuss gold package. There are options where you can get, but as much as possible, get option 1. These are all barley. Gold package is 45 boxes of barley. And the just for you for gold package is once you refer 4, you will get $58 in each gold package. So 58 times 4 is $232. And you will get sales match commission in each pair. So there are 2 pairs. So 50 times 2, 100. So your total commission is $332. But does not end there. You will get a just for you bonus. And the just for you bonus for the gold package is $667, which totals to $998 is your total commission. And that is unlimited. That means to say that you can have how many 4 gold package, and the bonus will be given to you. See how generous the company is. It doesn't say that, once you get up to 10 let's say 10-4 of the gold package, that stops there. No, it says unlimited. And also no time frame. So if you have 4 referral today, 1 referral today, to 2 or 2, another one tomorrow, and next month is another one. The system will detect if you have 4, every time you have 4, it will give you the bonus. Let's go to the platinum package. Platinum package has 112 boxes, option 1 for all boxes. It has also just for you bonus. So let's say you are a platinum package holder. Each time you refer or you introduce the platinum package to someone and they avail of it, then you will get $150 each time. So 150 times 4, that's 600. And there are 2 pairs. So 133 for each pair times 2, 266. And your total commission is 866 for the sales match and the wholesale package. But the company will give you just for you bonus. And the just for you bonus for platinum is $1,666. So you will get $2,532 all in all commission for platinum package. And it is also unlimited and no time frame. Let's go to the jade package. Jade package has option 1 also is 230 boxes all in all, $4,200 US. And the just for you also, every time you have a jade package, you introduce barley and they pack the package and they avail of the Jade package, you will get $333 times 4, 1,332, and there are two pairs. The sales match is $166 times 2, 332. Total commission is $1,664. And the just for you bonus for Jade is $3,333 for a total of $4,997 bonus for Jade. Total commissions, unlimited also, and no time frame. So let's compare the just for you bonuses for each package. For example, you have avail of the Jade package. You are a Jade package holder. So every time you have 4 Jades, the just for you is 3,333. You'll get that. The 4 platinum for just for you for platinum, 1,667. You will get that. And also the 4 gold, just for you gold, 667, you will get that. So if you're a Jade package holder, you will get all of the just for you for each package. But once you are a platinum account holder, once you refer 4 Jade, you will not get the $3,333 because you only avail the the platinum package. So it's just fair because the Jade package paid for the Jade for the cost of the Jade package. Yours is only 1,667 because you are only a platinum account holder. But if you have the 4 platinum, your just for you platinum is also 1,667 because that is your package, and the gold just for you is also 667. And if you are a gold package holder, if you have 4 Jade, you will only get 667 because that is only your package. And if for platinum, you will only also get 667 and also gold 667. So you see, the higher the package, the higher the commission, and so the higher the income. This is Mentor Edward Dasdakan. He was already able to get 5 times just for you for gold. And that is 300,000 pesos. This is pesos. And then he has also 2 times just for you achiever of Jade for 600,000 pesos. So this is his account with his wife. So why start now? We have unlimited spillovers. We are one account policy only. So for example, that's me. And there are people that joined after me. And there you are, you joined also. So you will be placed there. And then after you, there are people that join my organization. But then you said you will not join yet. You said you will join next month. There's no problem. That's okay. But then you will be, where are you now? You will be down there in the bottom. And then these people that joined in my organization, let's say they exert effort. They are so they refer a lot of people. And but you said that you will join. That's okay. You will be positioned there. And then these people that joined after you will get points from them. There are spillover points. We have Jade 5,000, Platinum 4,000, Gold 1,500. So these people that joined after you, there is a Platinum 4,000, Gold 1,500, Jade 5,000, another Jade 5,000. So those points, you will get those points. And each point is equivalent to 1 peso. So hurry, don't miss out, earn points now. This is also called positioning. You are already positioned there. So you will get all the points that the other people after you got. So it's better that you join now. What this is a just for you Jade. Let's discuss this. So the just for you Jade is how much? $4,200 with 230 boxes of barley. Let's say you avail of this 4 Jade package. We call this family investment. $4,200 in each Jade package. So 4,200 times 4, how much is 16,800? And each Jade has 230 boxes of barley. So 4 times 230, that's 920 boxes. All in all, times $25 each box. So you will get $23,000 for all those 4 Jade package. And yeah, this is called family investment. And you will also get 4 Jade, because you have 4 Jades, you will get just for you bonus for Jade, for 4 Jades, which is 3,333. So 3,333, you'll get the just for you bonus for Jade, plus the 23,000 cost of all the barley. That's 26,333. And how much is your investment? 16,800 only. So 26,333 minus 16,800. 9,533 is what you earn. Is your money going to earn that much in the bank? No, it will not earn that much. That's why this is the reason why I did the family investment. Last June, I avail of this. I position my my family. I position my husband, my son, my niece. So I was able to get this, and also it will give you will get a rank up for Sapphire Elite Executive. So that's why the people, even the billionaires, they understand, they are really after investment. They understand how they can earn their return of investment here in IAM Worldwide. They are really putting their money here because they know that it will earn. So after, what are the other benefits or how to earn here? There's also travel incentive here in IAM Worldwide. Car incentives. You can see some of the youths, these people are still young, but they were able to get the car incentive. There is level 1, 1 million, level 2, 1.8 million, level 3, 3 million. And also there are, this is Mentor Edward. Now he and his wife, they're Ruby Elite Executive. Because after Sapphire, the next rank up will be Ruby Elite Executive. They are also car achievers, and they have also travel. They have also hit the travel incentive in South Korea. And also there are luxury incentive. They were able to get the level 1 incentive, and that is the Louis Vuitton shoes. So pretty. And that is, I think, 75,000 pesos. See, you cannot, if you want to buy those shoes, you probably you will not spend money to buy those shoes, but if it's given free, why not, isn't it? So, and this is the income of Mentor Edward. He already earned 1.6 million since he started. He started December 2022. And also, once you are a Diamond Elite Executive, your picture will be in the billboard in EDSA in the Philippines. The one here in the red frame is our Mentor Naomi. She's our upline. And here, the former president of Kenya said, if you really love your business, if you really love your children, get a business, not a job. Because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. Here in IAM Worldwide, you can pass the inheritance to your children, because some people have done that, and their children were able to run the business even though they are already gone. Especially if we cannot have any inheritance that we can pass on to our children, our account online, our I Am Worldwide account can be passed on as inheritance to them. So because once we work, once we are just employed, we cannot tell our employer that to give our job once we retire to our children, because that's only us who have those skills. And I will leave you with this verse in Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. And this is it. And my name is Belinda Ruiz. I am an agent of hope, and I am worldwide. Thank you.